Hi everybody, and welcome to this short lesson. This lesson is about the way that I use arpeggios to get away from 4/4 and to use different rhythms like 5 and 7. So technique-wise, instead of using all the fingers, I will use only my index and my middle finger, and it's the same approach always. When we go down the strings, I skip one string, and when I go up, I don't skip. So here we go. This is the idea on 6. So we have E, D, A, G, and then when we go up, A, D. So all together, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So if we add another string and we follow exactly the same logic, skip on the way down and on the way up, don't skip, we have an idea of 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And again with the same idea, adding all the strings, an idea of 7. Skip, don't skip. So 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1. Of course, you can do it in any kind of chords that you can imagine, but some different things that you can do with that. So in the idea of 6 and of 5, you can play an arpeggio and then change a set of strings. So this is how it will sound in idea of 6. Changing. And in the idea of 5, we have 2 sets of strings. And starting from the A string. Then, some more things that you can do to have fun. You can emphasize a different note. So, for example, in the groupings of 6, I can emphasize the first note, or the fourth, or any note that you want, basically. The same you can do with 5 and 7. And last one, and a little more tricky, you can actually play them over a beat and follow a specific the subdivision. So for going from 6 notes per beat to 5 notes per beat to 7. So there you go in this one. To 5. To 7. Changing gears. Last one, this is one of the licks that I have used while playing sextuplets. Play one bar of sextuplets and then do the arpeggio in a group of 7 and 5. And if you're playing 4/4, you will end up landing on the 1. That's all. Hope you have a lot of fun with those. Play them with your favorite chords. And let me know what you came up with.